Hi everyone, this is me Sia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing great and learning this language great way. So friend, in this video I am going to talking about don't lose hope if you learn this language. Why I'm telling you? Because while learning this language we face lots of difficulty. Okay, ups and downs came to our journey. So that's why we are feel demotivated and then we are losing hope that I am learn this language. If you someone who also lose your hope, so watch this video till the very end because this video is going to be helpful for you. Okay, so when you losing your hope, this is your weak point and then you're going to be zero. Okay, so why you start your journey? Okay, and why should you learn this language? You are remember those things. If you remember those things, you are not demotivated because if your why is clear, why you learn this language, so demotivation not came to your journey. Okay, because while learning this language we are feel so much demotivation. Why? Because we are new in this language and if we don't have environment, so this is very difficult to learn this language. Okay, if you have someone who speak this language, so you not need to anything. Yes, you heard it right. You don't need to listen English content, you don't need to read books because you speak with someone 24/7. So why you need anything? But if you not have anything, so you face difficulty. But don't worry, I'm here you solution to your journey going to be smooth because smooth journey is very important. If you not have English partner, not to worry. Why I'm telling you? Because if you have mobile phone, your mobile phone is your best friend. Okay, you are doing whatever you want. If you listen English content, you listen English content. If you're not interested to read English book, you are read in your mobile phone. So many blog available on mobile phone, interesting according your interest. Okay, learn according your interest. This is a very important thing. And also very important thing, we are going to be difficult our journey. Why? Because we think that so many people follow this thing that thing, so I'm also follow this and that thing. But this is a not a good way. According your level, okay, and according your interest. If you interested reading in English story book, you read stories. If you interested in reading like a blog, you read blog. And if you study if you study in English, so you read uh, 5 paragraph in English. Okay, talking about I am a law student. Okay, so I have like a barrier Hindi to English. Okay, so sometime I read in Hindi, sometime I'm read in English. So read according your interest. I'm not telling you that you read whole thing in English. At least 5 page read in a day. That is sufficient for you. I'm telling you again and again that reading is important because when you read loudly, so your mind heard. At that time you are not understand, but your subconscious mind hear anything. Okay, and when you're talking about any kind of topic, so this is easy for you to speak in any topic. Okay, because vocabulary is also very important, and when we read, so we see new word. Okay, listening English content, this is the other thing, but reading is also very important. While learning this language we are not understand when we listen so many English content when we are a beginner. So at that time we are only focused on reading. That is not a bad thing, but your whole journey you only focus on listening to English content, you are not uh, seeing other thing. So how you improve? Okay, if you like follow listening English content like 1 year 2 year, and then I'm uh, told you that you like write one paragraph, at that time you are not right because you did spelling mistake. Okay, and if I'm telling you that you read that paragraph, you are not reading, only you listen. When you listen first, so when you listen 6 months, that is sufficient, but after 6 months you follow those things like reading, writing, so you are improving is also very important. So many people who learn this language, they are speak this language, and they are reading this language, but when talking about writing, they are doing so many English mistake. So you also don't do same kind of mistake. You write one page in a day. Okay, and then see that where you do mistake and then improve. Don't repeat your mistake. Okay, if you doing mistake in a one time, that is like not a bad thing, because everyone doing mistake like when they start their journey, and whatever they start first. But when you mistake like same kind of thing every single day, so this is not a good thing. Don't repeat your mistake. Always think that I am improve. Every single day I'm improve. And learn vocabulary, because vocabulary is a major role in this English journey. Without vocabulary, we are not speak in any kind of topic. Okay, because if you learn this language, you knew everything, but if you not have particular vocabulary, so how you speak with any kind of topic? So improve your vocabulary. Learn 5 to 10 words in a day, that is sufficient for you. Don't burden in your mind that I am learn 100 word in a day, because if you learn 100 word in a day, so you create confusion in your mind. So don't create confusion, take it easy. Okay, if you not learn in a day, you think that some day I'm learn, but I'm learn. Okay, because if you consistent with your journey, so this is a very like a good thing for you. If you not learn 5 word, if you learn 2 words, that is sufficient. But consistent, every single day you learn new thing, so you are motivated that I'm learn something. Talking about myself, if I'm not learn this language not a single day, so I feel demotivated that I'm missing something. So if you also feel like this, so don't break your consistency. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you, then please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. We will meet in the next video. Have a nice day.